Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. I'm going to bring you along as I make strawberry cream cheese frosting or icing. I've made it before a long time ago and it was a huge fail. So I'm going to try something different. So to get started, and I'm making a lot so you can have this recipe. I have 1 8-ounce brick of very softened room temperature cream cheese, and 1 stick, which is a ½ cup of very softened room temperature butter. You don't want to melt these in the microwave. Just let them set out and come to room temperature. We really want to mix this really good. I will stop it and scrape down the bowl a couple of times, but we really want this good and incorporated. Okay, now what I'm going to do different to make this strawberry flavored is, before I took fresh strawberries, pureed them real good, and added that, but that's adding more liquid to it. And no matter how much powdered sugar I added, I just still couldn't get it to the right consistency, and it was real loose. So I'm going to use freeze-dried strawberries right here. And this is kind of what they look like. They're really good to snack on. My daughter's been sitting here snacking on them. But they're dry. And so what I did is I measured out a cup of the freeze-dried strawberries, and I put it in my food processor and pulsed it till it was a powder, which gave me about 1/4 of a cup, almost a ½ of a cup. But I'm just going to add little bits at a time. It's 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, and there ain't much in here. So around 3½ tablespoons. Now I also have some strawberry flavored gelatin that I can add if I need to add more. So I'm going to mix this up. Now I'm going to scrape it down and add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And give that a mix. Now, because I am making a lot of frosting, I'm going to go ahead and add around a couple of tablespoons of the strawberry gelatin. And this was a little 3-ounce package that I bought. And like I say, once I get to mixing it, I can add more. So just mix that in. Now, to kind of just smooth everything out, I'm going to add around a tablespoon of milk, or you can use heavy cream. And you can actually skip this step. Now I'm going to start adding my powdered sugar. You might know it as confectioners or icing sugar. Now I'm going to add roughly 1 cup at a time. And really, this should take, I know it's a lot, but the amount I'm making, it could take 4 to 6 cups until it gets the right consistency that I like. But I like to add 1 cup and really mix it good. Not just till it's blended, but really mix it good, and that helps to make it fluffy. So I'm going to add this 1 cup, let it go for a couple of minutes until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add my 2nd cup. I'm going to let it mix in and blend in really good, and then I'm going to try it. Now I'm going to give it a taste, and knowing that I'm going to need to be adding some more powdered sugar, but at least I know if I need to go ahead and add some more of the gelatin or not. This is very good. And those freeze-dried strawberries just gives it that really intense strawberry flavor. But I am going to be adding some more powdered sugar, of course, for my recipe. But I'm going to add another tablespoon of the gelatin. Now I'm going to add another cup, let it blend in, and then another cup and let it blend in, and then I'll see the consistency that I'm at. Okay, I've added my 4 cups, and I can tell, even by the way it's flowing off this beater blade, that I'm going to need more in this recipe. As much as I'm making, like I said, could take up to 6 cups. So I'm going to add another cup, continue to blend, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I've added around 6.5 cups, and I can tell it's perfect, and I have tried it, and it's really good. Very good strawberry flavor, and that using those freeze-dried strawberries, but see, it's holding up. And if you get it too stiff, add a tablespoon or a teaspoon of milk or heavy cream. If you don't get it stiff enough, add some more powdered sugar. So now I'm going to scrape everything down. And you see the consistency of how it is right now. It's kind of really stiff. But watch what happens to it when I whip it for around 5, even maybe 7 minutes. That's my secret. Well, not my secret, but that's what I do to all of my icings that I make. Because then it whips and whips some air into it, and it makes it light and fluffy and not so heavy. So now I'm going to turn my mixer on almost high, scrape everything down, and let it whip. And then I'll bring you back once it gets done. And I did find the freeze-dried strawberries at Aldi. Okay, watch when you can see it's not as stiff as it was. It's still holding its shape, but I hope you can see that. It's now light and fluffy. And here's my cake, nothing fancy. And I hope you can actually see little strawberry bits in it. And even Ricky tried it, and that's actually what he liked, because you do have real strawberries in it. It's just freeze-dried. And I have just a little bit left over. I'm going to put it in a container, keep it in the refrigerator, take it, and that way if you want extra frosting, or even if you wanted to dip fresh strawberries in this, it would be great. I'm actually thinking about making some French toast and spreading it on there. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Again, I found the freeze-dried strawberries at Aldi. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. To all of my subscribers, you're the best. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.